Who didn't get any sausage?
Oh, I didn't. I had a bit of the one you.
It's alright. Can I get 2 sausages? Yeah?
Just a white bread. Yeah, just white. Yeah.
We are in Geelong right now with, give me your names. Bruce. Lachlan. John. Finn. Aiden. John. Awesome. So I'm Seth. And earlier, some of you tried the vegan sausage. And who was the one who had the sausage yesterday? So one of you said I had the sausage yesterday.
Oh, I had a sausage yesterday.
You had
a normal sausage.
All right. So do you think the vegan sausage was better?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Yeah.
So do you think from now on, when you have the option, you would go for a vegan sausage instead?
Yeah, if I had the option.
And do you think that's also because you don't want to kill animals?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you see anything ethically wrong with killing animals?
We shouldn't kill them.
We shouldn't kill them. Why do you think we kill them?
Because some people like the taste of the meat.
All right. So do you think the fact that some people like their taste justifies killing them?
No.
No. So if you were in a room, let's say, with a knife and an animal, and then on the other side you had a vegan sausage, what would you do?
Eat the vegan sausage.
Exactly. So would you agree that that is usually the situation we are in every single time we're in a supermarket? We have vegan sausages and we have non-vegan sausages, and every time that we take a decision, we're actually funding someone or an industry that kills animals.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what happens. Do you think that's something we should change?
Yes,
Yeah? Why?
Because they're animals. That's like killing ourselves if we.
Sweet. That's a nice answer. Yeah. Does anybody else have any opinion about the vegan sausage? You just have one. What do you think?
It's quite very nice.
Quite very nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. Who else?
I can't really taste the difference. It's just the fact it's not like killing an animal.
Yeah. And do you think that's better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like animals?
Yes.
Do you think animals deserve like moral consideration?
No, I don't like consider that or.
You haven't considered, but do you think we should consider animals' feelings and lives?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you think that you would prefer growing up in a world where we don't kill animals?
Yes.
Yeah. So if I were to say like it's not only for sausages, but it's also for like dairy and eggs, so milk and cheese and everything that comes from animals, it involves killing animals. Do you think we should stop that?
Yes.
Yeah. So as long as we have the option, obviously we should choose the right thing, right? Yeah. Sweet. Did anybody? All right. So you're having a sausage here.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's quite nice. It's actually got a few more flavors than the regular sausage.
Sweet. Okay. Is it the first time that you have a vegan sausage?
No, I had one like 2 minutes ago.
2 minutes ago. And now he is having another one. How amazing is that? All right. So from now on, do you think you would have a sausage that has a dead animal in it?
I prefer this one.
You prefer this one. This is amazing. All right. What about let's say do any of you like cheese a lot? You do. All right. Yeah. Of course. I did too. I was exactly the same. Do you think when it comes to cheese, what we do basically is we take the baby away from the cow, from the mother cow, because cows just don't give milk for no reason. They give milk after giving birth, just like humans do. And what we do is we take the baby away. If it's a baby boy, we kill the baby boy because he will never produce milk like his mother. And if it's a girl, then she stays in the farm so that when she grows up, just like her mother, she becomes a milking machine. Do you think that is justified just because we like eating cheese?
No, we shouldn't do that.
We shouldn't do that. What do you think?
I think it's totally unfair.
It's totally
Yeah.
unfair. What about you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think right now you would reconsider your choices that you make in your daily lives?
Definitely. Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. So is it something, what do you think would be the most difficult part for you? Sorry?
I think milk.
Milk. Steak?
Yeah, steak.
Chocolate, steak. All right. So we're in Australia right now, which means almost every single supermarket you walk in, you're going to find non-dairy milk. You're going to find soy milk, oat milk, almond milk, rice milk, hemp milk, you know. And these are just much better for your body as well, better for the environment and better for the animals. Do you think once you have the option of choosing, like, you can try out a couple of milks, you know, and you can choose your favorite plant-based milk, would you do that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Sweet. All right. So I'll tell you one more thing, since you're all athletes. The world leading athletes right now are all switching to a plant-based vegan diet. And the reason why they're doing that is because they're putting in their body what's best for their body, the best fuel, which is like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts and seeds and grains. And that is also better for fast muscle recovery. So they have like milkshakes, they have green smoothies, you know, with kale and spinach, and that helps a lot. And for example, marathon runners, bodybuilders, football players, tennis players, they're all switching to a vegan diet. So do you think that's also another reason why you would consider maybe one day going vegan? Yeah? Is it something...
The strongest man in the world.
The strongest man in the world, he actually carried 555 kilograms. I don't know, do you use kilograms here or? Yeah. So half a ton, more than half a ton, he carried it and he walked 10 meters with it, yelling vegan power. Don't you think that's amazing? Yeah. We can get protein from plants as well. So it is better for you, better for the environment, better for the animals. Which one of you would look into veganism starting today? You yeah, sweet. All right. So after we finish filming, I'm gonna give you some information. I'm gonna give you some documentaries to watch and a website as well that helps you go vegan. You can obviously share it with your parents as well, so you can watch it together. And obviously, because I'm guessing most of you or all of you live with your parents, and they'll have the information as well. You'll have the information. You can make the switch. Best thing to do for the animals. All right. And whenever you want, you can get active for the animals as well. You know. Spread the word, tell your other friends about it. You can also go vegan all together at once to support each other, then you're not feeling like lonely. And yeah, thanks for your time. Who else wants another vegan sausage? I don't have that much money. I'm joking.